Hello everyone, this is Marilyn here, and for today's math lesson, I'm going to present online manipulatives. Out with the old and in with the new. No more messy manipulatives all over the scholar's desk. Instead, we want to make a move to virtual manipulatives. Why? Because it's a great way to teach and to extend your math lesson. By using abstract concepts, we find it's a good way to teach math, especially to students who normally struggle with mathematics. I would highly recommend this game and this website, mathplayground.com, for students with learning deficiencies as well as L students. So after a math lesson is taught, this is a great way to extend the lesson and also to build and teach independence for our students. So this game is called Grand Slam, and here is a word problem. Students struggle with multiplication, facts, as well as word problems. For some reason, they can't seem to decipher what the word means, the word problems are asking them to do. So what I would recommend is first I would read the problem. What is it the math problem is asking us to solve? Dana solved 51 problems during the math contest. Holly solved 11 more problems than Dana. How many problems did Holly solve? Well, I would have students to if they could, draw lines under here and draw lines under the number. And the most important thing is how many math problems did Holly solve? Well, this is an addition problem. So you would add 51 plus 11, and your answer would be 62. So let's see. You would add what the answer is, enter. And if it's a home run, then you know you got it right. Oh, home run, yeah. Boom. And then the student will go on to another problem. And as we move on, the problems get more complex and more challenging for the student. So here we have, Derek have 67 magic Marvin stickers. He gave 16 of them to his younger brother. How many did he have left? Here, the first thing you want to look at, the scholar needs to look at, are the words. The key words are how many stickers that Derek have left. So we know this is a subtraction problem. Okay? Derek had 67 and he gave 16 away to his younger brother. How many does he have left? We know that's a subtraction problem. So I would say 7 minus 6 equals 1. 6 minus 1 equals 5. So let's plug in 51 and let's see if we get a home run. Home run. There you go. Again, this is a great game for students to practice simple addition and subtraction problems. Also, it's a great way for students to work on their word problems, multi-step word problems. Let's just go ahead and do one more. Again, Katie can do 82 sit-ups in 1 minute. Jay can only do 35 sit-ups in 1 minute. How many fewer sit-ups can Jay do? So we see the word fewer, so right away we know, again, that's a subtraction problem, but this time it requires regrouping. So it would be 82 minus 35. So you would have to regroup. We know 12 minus 5 is 7, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So let's see if the answer is 47. Enter. If it's not correct, it won't get a home run. If it's correct, the student will also feel motivated to continue to play the game. And that's another exciting thing about the virtual manipulatives. They motivate the student who would normally not be as confident to want to continue playing the game. And again, great for students with learning deficiencies, students who struggle with math, and for our L students. Thank you.